Do you understand English but feel nervous while speaking? Do you fear people will judge your English? Do you? If it's yes, then this video is for you. Hello people out there, I'm Dasra Yadav. Welcome back to my channel. This is day 4 of our Zero to Fluent in English series. And today we will learn something very important is how to speak English confidently. Because confidence is the real key. So if you want to speak English fluently and confidently, first you have to accept that mistakes are normal. Stop fearing mistake. Like when we learn our mother tongue, we make many mistakes, but still we speak English, but still we speak our mother tongue confidently. The same rule applies on English. If you are waiting for perfect English and then you will start English, you will never start speak English. So speak first, improve later. Okay? Second is practice learning daily because confidence comes from practice. You don't need people around you. You are talking to yourself, like self talk in front of mirror. And what I did, I make my private channel where I regularly post long and short video and I capture me while speaking and watch it so that build connection with myself to English and I develop confidence from those video while I speaking there. So here when I speak like that, somewhere the reason is I'm making a lot of video in English that time in front of camera. So I'm now pretty habitual of it. So what I'm trying to say, when you consistently speaking daily, you create connection with yourself and slowly you start trusting your own voice, and this will help you for your confidence to speak English. Third point is very common every time we mention it, like don't translate from your mother tongue to English, because when you translate you take time and your confidence goes. So don't translate. Fourth point is confidence grow with consistency. Like confidence is not a magic. It is a result of daily efforts we make. Like if you are getting 1% improvement in your English, after 10 or 30 days you will see the big change. So consistency is matter most in everything. Fifth point is confidence grow with small wins. Every time when you speak single word in English, you win. Every time when you speak a sentence in English, you win. Every time you did mistake and restart again speaking English, you win. Like small win slowly build confidence. Sixth point is your brain need exposure, not pressure. Like confidence is not a talent, it is a familiarity. The more you hear English, the more your brain comfortable becomes. And when something becomes normal or familiar, confidence comes naturally. Seven point is most important point is stop comparing your English with others, because comparison kills confidence, and it's also in our life too, like in this social media generation where we all are comparing our success to others and we get insecure, jealous, or basically compare. So for this I have something like जो तुम्हारे भाग्य का है वो तुमसे कोई छीन नहीं सकता, और जो मेरे भाग्य का है वो मुझे मिलके रहेगा. लाइक लिसन, जो तुम्हारे भाग्य का है वो तुमसे कोई छीन नहीं सकता, और जो मेरे भाग्य का है वो मुझे मिलके रहेगा. How much purity in this line if you understand it. So your only competitor or competition is your yesterday version. So don't compare. There start confidence. Okay. And in last, confidence is not a loud voice. Confidence is a courage to try something new. You don't need perfect English. You need fearless English. Speak with mistake, but speak. Start speaking English. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. And one more thing I want to share with you every time in my every video is that I'm not professional in this video, so I also did mistakes, so please don't criticize me for that. I just share what I learned to you guys. That's it for this video. So Radhe Radhe. No, if you like my video, so then comment on it, subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Yeah, Radhe Radhe.